Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Archita. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and today's topic is pin configuration and working principles of 555 timer. Introduction to 555 timer. The 555 timer is a versatile integrated circuit used in various applications. It is function in monostable, astable, and bistable models. Its popularity stems from its ease of use and reliability in timing applications. Historical background. The 555 timer was invented in 1972 by Hans R. Kamentzed. It was initially designed for the use in timing applications and oscillators. The 555 timer has since become one of the most widely used ICs in electronics. Pin configuration overview. The 555 timer has 8 pins that serve different functions. Understanding each pin's role is crucial for effective circuit design. The pin configuration can be easily referred in datasheets. Pin 1 is ground. The pin 1 is the ground pin which is connected to the circuit's negative supply voltage. It serves as a reference point for all the voltage measurements in the circuit. Proper grounding is essential for 555 timer to function correctly. And the pin 2 is the trigger pin, which initiates the timer signal in monostable mode. A negative plus on this pin starts the timing interval. It is important to ensure that this pin is not left floating. And pin 3 is the output pin where the timer's output signal is generated. It can drive loads directly or be connected to other circuitry. The output can be in form of a square wave or a single pulse. And the fourth pin is the reset pin, which can be used to stop the timing cycle. It is active low, meaning that low voltage on this pin resets the timer. This pin should be connected to high voltage if not used. And the fifth pin is the control voltage pin, which allows for adjustment of the timing interval. It can be used in modifying the duty cycle of the output signal. A capacitor is often connected to this pin to filter noise. And the sixth pin is threshold pin that resets the timer when voltage exceeds 2 by 3 of VCC. This pin plays a critical role in determining the time intervals. It must be connected to the timing capacitor in various configurations. And the seventh pin is the discharge pin, which discharges the time capacitor when the output goes slow. It is connected to an internal transistor that pulls the voltage to ground. This pin helps control the timing cycle in both monostable and astable modes. And the eighth pin is the supply voltage. The supply voltage pin, which is connected to the positive source voltage. The operating voltage range typically spans from 4.5 volts to 15 volts. The proper voltage supply is crucial for reliable operations of 555 timer. Monostable mode overview. In monostable mode, the 555 timer acts as one short pulse generator. A trigger pulse on pin 2 initiates a single output pulse on pin 3. The duration of pulse is determined by external resistors and capacitors. Monostable circuit diagram. This diagram illustrates the connections and components values. The timing capacitor and the resistor values indicate the pulse width. A stable module overview. So this is the circuit of the stable 555 timer produces a continuous square wave output. It alternates between high and low states without external triggering. The frequency and the duty cycle are determined by external resistors and capacitors. A stable circuit diagram. This diagram shows the continuous oscillation generated by the 555 timer. The timing component set the frequency of oscillation. And the bistable module overview. In bistable module, the 555 timer acts as a flip-flop or a memory element. The output can be set or reset by applying pulses to the trigger and reset pins. It holds its state until a triggering event occurs. Bistable circuit diagram. This diagram illustrates how the 555 timer can store a binary state. It is commonly used in toggle switch applications. Applications of 555 timer. The 555 timer is used in various applications such as timers, oscillators, and pulse generators. It can be used in alarm systems, LED flashers, and tone generation circuits. Its adaptability makes it suitable for both beginners and advanced projects. Advantages of 555 timer. The 555 timer is cost effective and widely available, making it accessible. Its simple operation and various modes allows for numerous applications. The timer is rugged and reliable, ensuring consistent performance in the circuits. The conclusion of this is the 555 timer is a fundamental component in modern electronics. Understanding its pin configuration and models of operation is essential for design. Mastery of 555 timer opens up numerous possibilities in circuit design and experimentations. Thank you.